Hi, this is Loopy Prices coming to you on another video on PROG. And before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Today was a great day for the stock. It came up. It really helped out because we triggered that SSR yesterday, and so we're still on that SSR trigger and today. So just keep in mind that's the reason why we didn't see that much volume, that much shortage happening because of the SSR volume. We can see it came up, it bounced up, it came up right in that volume, and then it starts bouncing downwards. Uh, that is where it started consolidating, and it just kept right in here. We had $3. It's a very strong sign right in there. Now, if we go into the daily chart is saying a sell signal, and it looks like our volume is starting to drop. It's starting to, our momentum is starting to go down. But the money flow is still very high. There is a lot of money going into the stock. Moving around, the volume is starting to loop back up again. We need to have the volume starting to head upwards, and we could see this the stock starting to burst. The 4-hour chart is saying a buy signal, and it is giving us a buy signal, but it is giving us a bear chart on well. So it's a bear bars onto this, and it has 115 bars. I keep in mind, I think we're right at the end, right in here. We could start coming back up. It's feeling comfortable right into the $3.70 around there. Now it gave us a sell signal in, still at 17% on a sell signal onto the daily chart. So we could see this starting to move back down a little bit more, and I think we'll probably see tomorrow trying to get a 9 candle consolidation. So it has that 9 candle verifying it's at the bottom peak. It has found its bottom peak. We have to remind ourselves that this stock had moved a very high amount within a couple days, and within a month you can sort of see it moves a lot. It has gotten pumped a lot of volume in here, a lot of money. And so you can see this as well. A daily chart is showing a sell signal. Oh my gosh, I can't even say it. Sell signal, and it's at a 17%. So I am sort of thinking we're going to have a consolidation, or maybe a little bit of pullback, a little bit more, and we will see a consolidation trying to get a 9 candle. And a 9 candle is not a bad thing. It's just meaning that it is showing to the hedge funds, it's showing to a lot of day traders that it's at its bottom. It's feeling comfortable at this bottom part. And what we have onto this, it has increased a little bit more. So the days, it's almost at a day to cover. So it was yesterday at a point 3. So you're looking at like half a day. The shorts would have probably covered it within a half of a day. Now we're looking at today's to cover onto almost 1 full day. This is a great thing. It's not the best. Keep in mind, we want to have it trying to get up to like 2 days, 3 days. AMC, I just did a video on that. It's at 4.5 days. So if you can get it into higher, the higher the short the days to cover, the shorts are starting to get worried because they don't know if a short squeeze does occur. They don't know when they can get out of this. They don't know when they can basically buy back those shares. Again, did not move. No one has been buying any more shorts onto this stock. So uh, that is a sort of a sign that why it was not pulled back. For today, it came to be a positive day. The market was terrible. You had to see the market was all going all over the place. And you were still remarkably at a 45%. I think yesterday it was at what yesterday was at 51%. I have to look at my charts again. 51%. It's this is a very high borrow rate. To me, they're going to start freaking out because of all the stuff that's going to happen. You see that the money flow onto the market right now in general, the feds are not going to, they are starting to minimize their flow of money going into the economy. So this could be a big uh, pop sometime pretty soon. I'm hoping to see it. So for me, we see on the 4-hour chart a buy signal. It is a buy signal, and it has even a buy signal right in here. So we're seeing a buy signal doing a loop onto this, and it could be a cup. So we could see a cup coming into this form. And we could see into a little bit more of a drastic pull, or a little bit more of a pull back down, but I could see this starting to pop up, having a short squeeze onto this. I don't know. I have not looked at and seeing if there's a gamma squeeze possibility onto the stock, but that would be a huge potential onto a gamma squeeze. The problem I see onto the short sellers right now is the interest rate is super high, and that is going to scare them off, and they probably don't want, they want to try to make their buck and get out, and they don't want to keep on paying interest on borrowing these shorts. That's the thing that they just don't want to do, and that to me is telling me that if this interest rate keeps on that steady high point, they are going to start trying to buy back into the stock. I'm hoping definitely we're going to have see is 2 days, something around there. Then that will scare the shorts even more. Um, before I forget, I think I already said it. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. And definitely, if you like this video and you want more videos, definitely subscribe and do a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. And put some comments down talking about if you're in this stock, definitely put down I bought stocks or I bought more. And I appreciate everything. Uh, and look forward to my next video.